What's up, you guys, and welcome back. welcome back to my channel. I am going to do not really a hair tutorial, but it is a hair tutorial. So I'm going to be I'll leave a picture of how I'm going to do it. I don't really remember what it's called. I don't really know how to explain it.
I was not going to ignore the fact that I was extremely lost on what I was even talking about.
My sister did her hair like this. She showed me how to do it. I'm tired of doing my hair every day. It's exhausting. Or every 3 days. It's just too much. I honestly think about cutting my hair like 3 to 4 times out of the day. There's 7 days in a week. 4 weeks in a month, so you do the math. But that's what I'm going to be doing. All I did to my hair was wet it because I have so much product in it as it is. And usually when I put these in my hair, it only lasts like maybe a week for me. But I'm still trying to figure out what's the best way to do it so that it lasts longer than a week. Because I hate doing my hair and I just want it to grow. So, without further ado, I actually don't really want to say that. I'm going to cut that out.
I promise you, this is not a collab video and nobody else is being introduced. So I don't even know why I said that.
So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you because I can't really explain it. I really suck at explaining things, so. Okay, so first what I do is the back. I feel like none of this really matters. I don't part my hair when I'm doing it or anything. Just in the front is what I'm worried about, how neat it looks. I guess grab like a section of your hair. You want to start off braiding. You want to turn your braid into literally a twist out. It's the simplest thing. That's really it. You just do your whole head like that. Like, it's really not complicated. I made it seem like it was so complicated. Like, whatever. But yeah, that's all you do. So that's what I'm about to do.
Did I not explain like twice how this was so simple? And yet I made a mistake. I'm braiding this strand of hair.
How you gonna comment and not answer?
Do I want to get slick or I just want to like wait and see what kind of vibe she giving off first?
I'm pretty sure I know how to do this by now, so we're just gonna skip this.
So dead.
Just off the rain.
Okay, so I'm to the top of my hair. This is the part where you actually want to care, like how it looks, because you want it to look neat, but also like you want it to look messy, and I'll explain that later. I don't have a comb, but I got this, whatever, it doesn't matter what it is, I'm not dyeing my hair. So I'm just gonna part basically the front of where I want, like, you know what I'm saying? Just watch. I know y'all are sick of hearing that lame track. That iTunes playful track is real whack. So I'm back with another clip.
Man, I am crying. Like, my talk games is crazy, so it's like, it's just about how the way I be talking to you, and you like, oh yeah, he really messing with me. Like, no, it ain't like that. I talk like this, like, be with her, whatever, how she can post.
That's really freaking big.
Akikiki, I'm still getting the juice. You already know how it is. Shit is so funny. Oh, it's so funny. LOL.
Okay, so I am done. Really just the start of a braid and then a twist out. I'm gonna let my hair dry and then be back. So maybe tomorrow. Put them in crochet them in, and you'll see how it looks. I know I look crazy. What's up, you guys? It's the next morning. I have so much to do today, and I obviously need to finish my hair. And I left some pieces out. Like, this is out. All of this is out, and whatever. We're gonna be crocheting the hair in. The good thing about it is that you can obviously like reuse them. I'm just gonna be putting them in, but I'll show you how I actually made this hair because I didn't buy it like this. I'll like leave a picture of how it's supposed to look. I literally only have this much left. I used about more than 5 packs of hair, probably like more than 5. I don't even know, but I used 3 different types of hair. What I did was pulled the hair apart and made it like,
So basically, all I did was take the hair out of the pack, and then I ran my fingers through the hair. Like, I was kind of combing it out, but I wasn't combing it out. You don't want it to get tangled, but you want to pretty much unravel it how it is.
I don't know, I kind of like just messed with it and like made it like fringy or like old looking, I guess. And I grabbed 2 different hair colors because I think it looks better two-tone instead of all being one solid color. Plus, I look crazy. I don't know my exact hair color. Basically, you want to get the hair. I'm trying to use like one of every color that I have because I literally have 3 different colors. I'm literally asking to get roasted in the comments. Like, look at me. Just look at me. Listen, it doesn't have to be neat. You don't want it neat. You want it like messy and kind of like crinkly looking. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you leave a piece that's curly out for the ending. You don't want it to look messy. You want to keep this cute little curl at the end. Oh my god, girl, it's so cute. Like, look at it. Oh my god, look at that cute little curl coming up. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Oh my god. I used the Bohemian Wave and Water Wave. I used the color 30 and 29, which is my hair color. Is that Water Wave. The Bohemian is this smaller curl pattern, and the Water Wave is just this one. It's really like one wave up, like the deeper wave. And doing this determines the length you want it. Like, it's gonna be this long, like from here to the end of this curl. So what I do is wrap it around my toe, and you just twist it. That's literally all you do. And then to make it tight and look crinkly, you want to pull it up. When you get to the end and you have a little bit of hair left in this curl, all you want to do is wrap it around the ending part. And then when there's a little bit left, you go back over. And then when there's no more left, you just mesh it together. This is the one that we just made. The cute little curl at the end. I'm not going to show you how to crochet because I kind of just learned, and what I'm doing isn't really informational. My hair, I look a mess. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, after you put it in, she basically wrapped my hair around this whole thing. But that's because her hair length, she's natural too, but her hair length is shorter than mine. So like that worked out. But when I did it, I had like this huge like mushroom looking thing around my braids. So I found it easier to actually just twist my hair around the Bohemian twist and then tuck it through the twist so that it stays and locks. I know y'all are tired of hearing that lame behind track. I'm not gonna play it this time because I'm almost done and I'm lit because I'm almost done and my hair is almost done and I'm about to be looking good as freak. You already know. Yes, girl. All right, last one. Loop, 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 loop. Hey, I forgot a piece of hair, but it's okay. Hey. Well, all I did was do my makeup and I kind of like laid my edges down. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope I helped. But a couple of disclaimers. Mine, when I started to twist these and make them, they were not all the same length. So what I did was put the longer ones in the back and the shorter ones, no, I put the longer ones in the top and the shorter ones in the back. So that way it levels out that they're not like super long and then super short. I've also seen other people do this and their twists turn out really neat, or at least neater than mine. They all look like this. I like the messy, uneven, kind of bohemian look. I feel that's how it's supposed to be, but everybody has different preferences, and if you want to do it way neater, then you can and take your time. Or if you like the messy kind of curly look, then give it a try. But if you guys like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and yeah. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You ever make a Snapchat and you make it to send it to one particular person, but you gotta act like you send it into your streak, so you make it like a streak thing, but you don't really send it everywhere. You just send it everywhere. You just want to see their like,